Hi everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. I'm working again today on some new videos that are about basic crochet stitches and techniques so that those who are just learning to crochet can learn the things that they need to. And today I will be making this video to show you how to do the double crochet stitch, which is pretty common. It's used a lot. So I'm going to turn around the camera and show you how it's done. So I'm going to skip the first two chains, and then I'm going to wrap the yarn around my hook and go into the third chain. Remember, this is working a double crochet stitch, so you wrap the yarn around your hook before placing it into the chain. So now I've placed it through the chain. My yarn will come across the front of my hook, and I will turn and slide to pull that yarn through the chain. Slide it back out, wrap the yarn around my hook, and then I will slide and turn as I pull that through the first two loops. Slide it back out, wrap the yarn around my hook, and turn and slide as I pull it through the next two loops. That finishes the double crochet stitch. So what we're looking at here, these are the two chains that I skipped, and this is the double crochet stitch that I just finished. I'll make another one now. I wrap the yarn around my hook. I'm going to go into the next chain. Bring the yarn across the front of my hook. Pull that through the chain. Wrap the yarn around my hook. Pull that through two loops. Wrap the yarn around my hook and pull that through two loops. I'm going to continue working double crochet stitches across the rest of this chain, and I'll work slowly so that you can see several times how it's done. The last chain is right here. You can see right here the knot that I made when I started my chain. It's a slip knot. So the very last chain is right here. If I'm just working in plain double crochet stitch, then at this point I will chain 2, and then I will turn the piece this way so that I'm ready to work back across the tops of those stitches. I'll wrap the yarn around my hook and go right into this first stitch. And then I will just continue doing the same thing, working 1 double crochet stitch into each of the stitches from the first row that I completed until I get all the way across. Sometimes it can be difficult to tell exactly where your last stitch is. Remember that here at the end there were those 2 chains that I did not work into. I just let them act like a ladder going up the side of my work. That's this. My first stitch is right here. The top of it is right here. So that's going to be where I place the last stitch of this row once I get all the way across. If you are brand new to crochet and this still seems like too much for you, I'd encourage you to start with my video that teaches how to crochet a chain or how to crochet the single crochet stitch. This one is how to make the double crochet stitch, and I will have more videos in this basics series to come. Please check the description box for a link to my website where you can find free patterns and how-to videos. Also look there for the link to subscribe to my newsletter. You'll get 2 free patterns when you do that, and also when you subscribe to my newsletter you will be getting a newsletter about twice a month that will share with you my latest patterns and tutorials. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, and also please share these videos with your friends. Thank you.